Hello everyone, I'm audible to all of you. Tell me fast. Welcome to Oliveboard. This is your mentor Mayank today, and as we all know, this is our regular session for RBI Grade B 2023, and we are covering which section? Quant section, right? For your quant section, this session is regular, right? Regularly conducted on which day? On every Tuesday of the week. Okay. So let me share the screen first. Wait. Okay, so before starting the session, I would request you all to update me everything whether the I'm just checking. Just wait for a second. So tell me, voice is clear? So just wait. So as you all know, this is our regular session on every Tuesday of the week. Okay. Mm, okay. Now we are targeting what? RBI Grade B 2023, and here we are discussing the most important question. And so far already we have discussed many important questions. This session is the 22nd session. Okay, so tell me fast in the chat box. TD, voice is completely audible, clear? Tell me fast, bacha, and share it with others also. And before starting this session, I am here with an amazing offer on this Ram Navami Utsav, right? On the occasion of this Ram Navami Utsav, right? There is a sale. You can save 40% flat on all the regulatory exam course plans, RBI, SEBI, Nabard, IFSC, right? A grade A. If you are preparing any of these exams, then you must go for it. There is, right, you can choose any of these plans and you will get 40% off on all the plans, right? Learn, pack, complete plan, combo plans as they are, combo plan, RBI, SEBI together, RBI, Nabard together. So for two exams you can prepare here, right? Yeah. Good evening, Eva. Okay, and the mentorship batch, the best one, is also here. So this also you can join. Here you are going to get mentorship, complete study material, mock test, and many more other important things, right? And dedicated mentor, personal mentor also you will get separately here. So for availing this offer, what you have to process, you have to use the code FEST. Okay, FEST capital, and the say, right, this offer is going to end on 30th March. Okay, so hurry up and grab the offer. You can go through the link given in the description box for subscribing these courses. Link is given. Okay, so just download our app or you can visit our website. We pledge for your success, and these are the series offerings: live video batches, comprehensive coverage of syllabus, doubt clearing by experts, preparation guidance, and most important, exam centered study. Okay, today's session is going to be very special because today I am here with different type of questions. So first we will discuss the previous session homework, okay, that I had given you. So the question was what? This was the homework of our previous session, okay, on last Tuesday. Okay, this was the homework. So a dishonest milkman mixes milk to mineral water. Okay, just wait. Okay. So here we are starting with the homework. Then after that we will discuss the further question. A dishonest milkman mixes milk to mineral water in the ratio of 7:3. He sells the mixture at the cost price of the milk and earns profit of 25%. If the price of mineral water is rupees 20 per liter, then the price of 1 liter milk is how much percent more than that 1 liter mineral water? Okay. So, okay, tell me how many of you got the answer of this question. If you have, right, you were there in the previous session, then you must have attended this question, right? This question. So, okay, just see now. We are solving the homework question. A dishonest milkman mixes milk to mineral water. So, milk to MW means mineral water. The ratio is 7:3. Whatever the quantity is, the ratio will be same. Okay. The major, most important point is here. Now, if he sells the mixture at cost price of the milk and earns a profit of 25%, so he's selling what at the cost price. Cost price means what? No one else knows that what if he's saying he's selling 10 liter milk. So we know that in this 10 liter there will be what? 7:3 means 7 liter milk and 3 liter going to be mineral water. But the buyer don't know this. They think this is pure 10 liter milk. And what actually this milkman is doing, what is the dishonesty here? Okay, he's making what? He's making the false commitment here. What he's saying, he's selling the milk at the cost price. Means if the cost price of the article, for suppose I'm just explaining you, 10 rupees for 10 liters. Okay, actual pure milk costing I am saying. Okay, pure milk costing 10 rupees for 10 liter. So he's saying what? He's selling 10 rupees, okay, at 10 liter. But we know that there are what? There is a mineral water mixture also. And after this, that's why he is getting what? 25% profit. But do not take this 10 rupees as your answer or something or value, because here we are having some data in terms of rupees also. Okay, so that also we need to use. So first of all, you have to understand this 7 and 3. So whatever it is, but milk and mineral water ratio is going to be 7:3. So you can assume the quantity by yourself. If the price of mineral water price is given, that is 20 rupees, sorry, per liter. Clear? Then the price of 1 liter milk is how much percent more than? That is what they are asking. Okay, per liter milk price is how much percent more than mineral water price? That is what they are asking from you. So that you must know, that you need to understand. Okay, how you have to understand that? See, if 20 rupees we know that, okay, so we can assume, is there any quantity, specific quantity? No quantity is given. So you can say that 7:3. So we are just assuming 10 liter. You can go with 20 liter also. So in 10 liter there will be 3 liter mineral water or not? And 7 liter milk is going to be there or not? Tell me first. 7 plus 3, 10. 3 liter mineral water, 7 liter milk. So we know that what actually the costing is going to be what? So if I am saying X rupees is the per liter milk price. Per liter milk price is X rupees. Just remember that. So 7 liter milk price is going to be what? 7x plus 3 liter mineral water price going to be what? 3 multiplied 20 means 60 rupees. Clear? So this is the what? Costing of 10 liter. Okay, cost price of 10 liter milk and water combo, which he is selling actually. Okay, but on selling this, if he is going to sell this, so he is going to sell this 7x plus 60 cost price material at what cost? So he is going to sell it at, total quantity is what? 10 liter, and he is going to sell it at the per liter milk price, that is X rupees. So selling price is going to be 10x rupees. Clear so far whatever I have discussed here? Now you know one thing, that earn 25% profit means 125% of cost price is equal to selling price or not. This is the cost price 7x, so 125% can be written as 5 by 4 also. 5 by 4 multiply 7x plus 60 equal to 10x. Now just transfer 4 here, so it will become 40x. Now multiply 5 7s are 35x plus 5 60 60 multiply 5 is going to be 300. Clear? Now this is going to be 300, 40x minus 35x, so x actually per liter milk price we can get here or not? Yes, we can easily get 5x equal to 300. Now by 5 you can cancel this 300. Okay, how many times? 60 times. So 60 rupees, x is equal to what? 60. So 60 rupees is the per liter milk price. So milk costing is what? Milk cost price of milk is 60 rupees, while cost price of mineral water was what? 20 rupees. Remember this. Are you getting my point? So with respect to this milk, okay, with respect to mineral water, milk is how much? Just thrice, right? Triple. And difference if we will count, 40 rupees. Because what are they asking? Just read this. Then the price of 1 liter milk is how much percent more than that of the 1 mineral water? How much percent? So price of per liter milk is how much percent more than mineral water? So 40 rupees more than, and 40 rupees in terms of 20 is what? 200%. Just twice, 200%. So price of milk is 200% more than the price of mineral water. Option C is going to be the answer. Tell me fast, is this clear? Now today we are going to discuss the many different questions based on what? Fillers. In generally RBI grade B, so RBI grade B, you will find these filler based questions also in the exam. So you have to be you have to be used to of these kind of questions also, right? This is the very important type of the questions which generally come, right, which generally comes in your RBI grade B paper if we will look out the previous year paper. So that's why we are going to discuss these questions and different type of number series questions also we are going to discuss today. Okay, now tell me the answer of this one. I am giving you okay, just try to read it. Which value will satisfy? Here what is given? In a big garden, 60% of the trees are A-type trees, 25% of the number of A-type trees are B-type trees, okay, and 20% of the number of B-type trees are C-type trees. The number of A-type and C-type trees are blank and blank. I'm just okay, wait, blank and blank respectively. So which of the following satisfies the two blanks in the given question? 2000 and 100, 100 and 2000, 1470, 7350. So in these type of question there will be a possibility chances. They will give you, okay, which can satisfy these blanks. So we have to solve this as per the question condition data. We have to read out what are they asking and what can be the possible values. Okay, so tell me the answer of this one fast. And do like the session, mark your attendance if you are understanding each and everything very well. Okay, so hope so whatever we have discussed is clear. So I am just expecting the answers from you all for this question. In a big garden, 60% of trees are A-type trees, 25% number of A-type trees are B-type trees. So as per you, what can be the answer? Options are only one satisfy, one and second satisfy, third, second, third and fourth satisfy, fourth, one and third satisfy, fifth, one, third and fourth satisfy. So Eva says, sir, fifth is going to be the answer. Very good, Eva. Well tried, bacha. Very good. Now, as per Eva, the answer is option fifth. Let's check it out. In a big garden, 60% of the trees are A-type trees. 25. So, is there anything about trees given? How many such trees are there? No. So, we can just assume, okay, total 100% tree. Out of those 100% trees, A-type trees are what? 60% of the total. Remember this, okay? Now they are talking about what? B. 25% of the number of A type trees, means 25% of this, 25% of 60% of T, remember this, is going to be B type trees, remember this, okay. And after that what is given? And 20% number of B type trees, so 20%. So what for C now you have to look out, 20% of 25% of 60% of T, okay, is going to be here. These are the number of C type trees, remember that. Very good, Eva, very good. This ratio we need to maintain. Yes, 1 3 4 all satisfy except second one. Okay, now just see here what actually we are talking about. We don't know the number of trees here. Yes, we don't know that how many such trees will come. We know that number of A type trees are what, 60% of the total. Now B type trees are what, 25% of this 60% of the total. So 25% means 1/4 of this 60% is going to be what, 15% actually. 25% of this 60 is going to be what, 15%. So 15% of the total. Now similarly, you know 25% of 60 already calculated, that is 15% of T. Yeah. Now 20% of 15. So 10% of 15 is 1.5, 20% is going to be 3. So 3% of total. Now I am just, right, I have just converted all these A type, B type and C type trees in one form with respect to total quantity. A type trees are 60%. B type trees are what? This is 60%. B type trees are 15%. C type trees are 3%. So what are they asking? Then the number of A type and C type trees are this and this. Okay, this quantity. So ratio we can see of what A type and C type trees. That ratio is going to be what? 60 ratio 3 if you will look out. So by 3 you can cancel this, 20 ratio 1. So you just need to check out the quantities. We don't know actual quantity, how many such trees are there, but all the quantities which will follow this ratio will be your what? Possible values. Are you getting my point now? So 20,100, the ratio is going to be what? 0 to 0 cancel here, 20 ratio 1. So first will satisfy the condition. Second one, 100, no. Here the quantity is just opposite, 100 and 2000, which is not possible. A type trees are more than C. Now third one, 1470. So 1400, third quantity I am talking about, 70. 0 to 0 cancel, by 7 you can cancel this 20 times, 20 ratio 1. Yes. Fourth one, 7350. 0 to 0 cancel, by 35 you can cancel this 72 times, so 20 ratio 1. So all first, third and fourth, all these three values are following, right, just satisfying our ratio of 20 ratio 1 between A and C type trees. So our answer is going to be only first, third and fourth satisfy. Only second one is the quantity which is not satisfying the blanks. Right, now let's move on to the next one. Now tell me the answer of this one. Be fast in the answering. X invested 25%. X invested 25% of the amount invested by Y. So this is based on partnership as they are talking about investment. Y withdrew the amount after 6 months. Z joins the business and after Y leaves, after Y leaves with an investment of rupees this for these months. At the end of year, X and Z share the same amount of profit. The investment of Y rupees 7,200. Which of the following values can fill in the blanks? Tell me the answer. I am giving you some time. Okay, you are having 60 seconds to do it. Just do it fast. Try to do it, everyone. Eva, TD, are you there? Everyone, be active and mark your attendance by liking the session as well. I'm checking your comments in the chat box. So tell me the answer fast. Be proactive. You need to be proactive in answering. Okay. So how many of you got the answer? You're having very less time. Okay. So now look out. X invested 25% of the amount Y invested. So they have given us the investment quantity of X and Y. Okay. So that is what X invested 25%. Means 1/4 of Y. So ratio of investment of X and Y is going to be 1/4. Okay. Why withdrew the amount after 6 months? So timing also they are talking about. So why withdrew after 6 months? So why invested only for 6 months? Clear? Okay. So anyone who got the answer, very good Eva, you are trying that. So have you got the answer? Okay. Now look out, okay, the question, what I am explaining, in which way you have to attempt when you see these kind of questions. Okay, so Z joins the business after Y leaves. So Z is also there. So Z is joining the business when Y leaves. Okay, so this is going to be 4 actually. This is 4, not okay. 1:4. Now we don't know the investment of Z. So investment of Y leaves with an investment of rupees blank and for blank months. At the end of the year, X and Z shares the same amount of profit. Means X to Z profit share is what? 1:1. Means what? See, profit, whenever you are solving the question of partnership, profit share decided by what? Investment in time. Means the product of investment in time will give you the ratio of what? Profit, and their profit ratio is going to be 1:1. Means the X how much invested, that we don't know. Z how much invested, that we don't know. But their investment, if I'm saying okay, X invested I amount, I X amount, Z invested I Z amount, I'm just explaining you in detail, so be right, just attentive whatever I'm telling you. Time of X is what? TX, and time of Z, how much time Z invested? TZ. So their profit ratio is going to be what? IX multiplied TX ratio IZ multiplied TZ, and this is 1:1. Means the product of the investment of X and the time of X will be equal to what? Will be equal to the investment and time duration of Z, means IZ multiplied TZ. So if we know this, what is the product of investment of X and the time of X? If we know this, IX multiplied TX, then we can easily decide, okay, because this product must be followed by IZ multiplied TZ. So we can see which values are following that. Are you getting my point now? So is there any such data given at the end of the year? This we know the profit is same. The investment of Y was 7,200. If the investment of Y was 7,200, then 1/4 is going to be the investment. 25% of 7,200 is going to be investment of X, right? And that is how much? 1/4 means 1,800. Now, okay, at the end of the year they are talking about, means we don't we know that for how much time X invested? 12 months, because for 1 year, after 1 year, and X joined the business from the beginning, right, at the start. So X was there or not? Yes. So X will invest for 12 months. So amount, you know, 1,800. 1,800 multiplied 12 means IX is what? 1,800 multiply 12 months, 12. So 12 multiply 18 is going to be 216. So 00 also there. So 21600. So this must be the what? Investment multiplied time product of what? Z. For Z, the multiplication, the product of the investment and his time must be what? 21,600. It must be. Is this clear to all of you? Now see which ratio is following that. Sorry, which value is following that. So you can see here 10,800 multiply 5. Are you going to get 21600? No. Right? You are getting 54,000 here. Okay, how much? 54,000, which is not the product of, okay, which we are looking for. Means the product of profit, the value of profit, means product of investment and time for X is 21,600, and that must be same for Z also, 21,600. So which value is following that? So see second one, 3,600 multiply 6. 36 multiply 6, 21600. So yes, second value is satisfying this. So second, right, is the possible value, and that is what we need to look out here. Okay, now third one, 27 multiply 8. So 27 8s are 21600. So here 2700 investment is okay, but time duration is 8, which is possible? No, because Z joins the business after 6 months, and after 1 year they are talking about the profit, means Z invested for 6 months only. So this cannot be the answer here. Option third also. Fourth, 7200 multiply 3, 72 multiply 3, 21600. Yes, this can be the possible value. It might be possible, right, that Z invested for 6 months or 3 months or 2 months or 1 month, because time is not mentioned for how many months Z invested. Okay, this is not given. Clear? For how much time Z was there. So this is not mentioned. So this can be the possible value, means the maximum possible value of Z can be 6 months, and maximum possible value of maximum possible duration of Z can be 6 months, not more than that. And after that 5 months, 4 months, all are possible for Z, right? But maximum is only 6 months. You cannot go more than that. Is this clear, Eva, everyone? Or still you are having any doubt? Then do let me know. So your answer is going to be second and fourth. Option C. Tell me fast. Is this clear? Let's move on to the next one. Now next is also based on what? Data filler based. Here you have to fill out the details, right? The 2 blanks, 3 blanks, 1 blank, whatever they will give as per the question condition. So do let me know, everyone. Still any doubt in anyone's mind? So try to do it. Now another question based on what? Blank. So as I said, today we are going to practice different kind of questions. Okay, blank filler based questions. So just try to do it. This one, Neeraj, start again. Business based question is here. Okay, sorry. So Neeraj start a business, and after 3 months Dheeraj also joins the business. Okay, so Neeraj and Dheeraj they are talking about, and after 3 months Dheeraj joined. Okay, the initial investment of Neeraj and Dheeraj is in the ratio of 3:2. So investment ratio is given directly 3:2. Fine for Neeraj and Dheeraj. And Neeraj and Dheeraj receive rupees this and this respectively as a profit after completion of 1 year. So time duration of Neeraj is going to be what? He only starts the business, so 12 months, because after 1 year they are talking about. But for Dheeraj it is going to be what? After 3 months Dheeraj joined, so 12 minus 3 means 9 months. So almost everything I mentioned here. Fourth means first and second as per you. Very good. 2:1, Eva. Very good. Excellent. Here what are they asking? They are asking Neeraj and Dheeraj receives rupees this as a profit. So profit is going to be what? Profit ratio. If you want to get their quantities, right, possible quantities, then you must know their profit ratio. That must be followed by the given data, right? In these 3 possible values or not? Yes, that must be followed if that is correct. So see here, profit ratio is what? Investment multiply time. So 3 multiply 12, 36. 2 multiply 9 means 18. So ratio is going to be what? By 18 you can cancel 2:1. So just see which option is following that. 2814, 1407. So yes, 2:1 ratio is there. Yes. In second, 1758, 879. So 8792s are just double of 879. Yes, this is also following. So second condition also following, right? 8 to double of 800 is 1600. Just double of 79 is going to be 158. So 1758 ratio, 2:1 here also. But here if you will look out, 2356 and 1146, 1146. So double of 1100 is 2200, and just twice of this 46 is going to be 92. So 2292 you are getting, which is not giving us what? 2356. Even you can check by the last digit also. 6 double of 6 is going to be 12, means unit digit must be 2, but here it is 6. So third one not following is not the possible, okay, the satisfy condition. So first and second, which of the following satisfy the two blanks? So first and second values. So only first and second, option 4. Very good, Eva, excellent. Let's move on to the next one now. Tell me fast the answer of this one also. Team A can build a project in 3 hours less than the time taken by Team B to build the same project. The ratio of the strength of Team A to the Team B is blank if it is given that the efficiencies of each member of both teams is same, where the efficiency is measured in work done per hour, then which of the following ratio will be satisfy the condition? So very easy question but tricky one. You need to understand, you have knowledge about what time and work basics, then only you can solve, because this is based on time and work. So be fast in the answering. Tell me the answer of this question fast, everyone. If anyone having any kind of doubt, then do let me know. Anyone? Tell me the answer fast. What kind of approach you can follow it? See now how you will read out this data. Team A can build a project in 3 hours less than the time taken by Team B to build the same project. Okay, so Team A is there and Team B is there. And if we will talk about the time taken by them, so A is taking 3 hours less. So suppose if Team B is taking T hours, then Team A is going to take T minus 3 hours. Okay, so this is what given. Now they are asking what the ratio of the strength of Team A, means Team A ratio Team B, number of members of Team A to ratio of what number of members of Team B. That is what they are asking. What is the possible thing from the right given option, means which value will satisfy here. So if it is given that the efficiency of each member, means if suppose there are 100 members in Team A and in Team B there are 50 members, suppose. So each member of Team A, okay, if we will individual person we are talking about, whatever the number of persons are in Team A or Team B, that doesn't matter. The thing is, number of persons in Team A and Team B are different, but individual person capacity, working efficiency is same. Because what is given here, if it is given that the efficiency of each member of both team, means each member efficiency is same, and that is calculated as per what, work done per hour. Okay, so same efficient persons are there if we will talk about individual persons. Now in this case, how you will decide which ratio will satisfy? So when this condition came that each person efficiency is same, then definitely number of person in Team A is greater than Team B. Now you know this by this line. By this line itself, it tells us what? It tells us that A is greater than B. Number of members in Team A is greater than Team B. And that only you need to check in the ratio where A is greater, that all right, those all condition will satisfy your answer. Because 3 hours gap can be maintained, right? There is no specific time of B is given, so right, that can be anything. So you can maintain, but you have to maintain what? That number of member of Team A is greater than B. Okay, so you can maintain in every condition. So where A is greater than B. So first 7:3, A ratio B 7:3 means number of members here greater than A greater than B, so it will satisfy. Second, no, 21:35 will not satisfy. Third one, 16:9, it will satisfy. Yes, it will satisfy, so A is greater than B. Now fourth one, no, it is not going to satisfy because here A is less than B. Now you understood how easily you can attempt this question, and it is not going to take much time when you see these kind of questions. But your basic must be clear, your right approach, right? You at that point of time you must apply the right approach. So your answer is going to be 1 and 4th only, and which is given in which option actually, sorry, 1 and 3rd only, so option 4. Only 1st and 3rd satisfied. Very good, Eva. Answer is correct. Now let's move on to the next question. Find the missing term in the series. Tell me the answer of this question, Eva. Missing series based question is here, and I'm asking you find the missing term in the series. 713, 724, 737, 754, 770 and question mark is here. So if you are going to see the gap even, everyone, I'm talking about everyone, be active, proactive, 754 and 770 and question mark is there. So if you will see the gap even between the numbers from the start, okay, 713 to 724, the difference is plus 11. From 724 to 737, the difference is plus 13. And after 737, 754, the difference is plus 17. And after this, what you can see here, 754 to 770 is plus 16. So 11, 13, 17, we can say consecutive prime number till here. But after this, if you will look out the difference, that is 16. So 11, 13, 17, suddenly 16. Now what kind of logic is working out then? What approach we can apply here? Any prime number pattern, any square cube pattern? No, by difference we can't see, and the difference is not huge, so we cannot go for multiplication even. Now if you will look out all the digits of first number, 7, 1 and 3, just take the sum, 7 plus 1 plus 3. It is equal to 11 or not? Yes. So 713 plus 11. So you are getting what? 724. Now second numbers, all digit you have to see. 724. Just add these all digits. Means the pattern is for getting the second number or next number, you are just adding the whole digit, all the digits of the previous number for getting the next number. Okay. So 7 plus 2 plus 4. 7 plus 2, 9, 9 plus 4, 13. Now similarly, 7 plus 3 plus 7. So 7 plus 3, 10, 10 plus 7, 17. Yeah, so 17 you are adding here. Now see here, 7 plus 5 plus 4. 7 plus 5, 12, 12 plus 4, 16. Here you are adding 16. So as you can see, the logic is what? As I said, sum of all the digits you have to take, then add it with number, so you will get the next number. So I hope it is clear. Very good. Now 7 plus 7 plus 0. 7 plus 7, 14 plus 0. So 14, it is going to be 784 is going to be the answer of this. I hope you enjoyed the pattern. It is completely different and you have to practice on these type of logics also. Now see, find the wrong number in this series. Okay. Now we are talking about the wrong number in the series. So tell me which one is wrong in this series, given series. This is easier one as compared to previous one, so that's why. But it is based on wrong number. So wrong number, fine. First of all, you need to see some similar pattern which you can apply. 69, 224 and 917. So anyone who got the answer, tell me fast. And do like this session, subscribe to channel if you are new to the channel, right? And mark your attendance. Everyone, be active, proactive. At least you need to try. Okay, everyone need to try. That's why I said today, right, I have come up with different type of questions. First we have done what? Fillers based questions, blank fillers. Okay, now we are doing what? Number series, different type of questions we will see here, because number series also the what important part of your RBI Grade B exam. At least 3 questions you will see, 3 to 5 questions, maximum 5, minimum 3 questions will come from this section itself. So anyone? Okay, now see, 26 to 30 plus 4, then 30 to 69 plus 39. So from here itself you can see the logic of difference is not working now. Now 26 1 are 26 plus 4, find 30. Now 30 ones are no, 32s are 60 plus 9, 69. Now 69, first you multiply with 1, then multiply with 2, just multiply 3 here. So 69 multiply 3, so 70 multiply 3, 210. Now it is 1 less 69 is 1 less than 70. So in thrice what it will be? 3 less than, right, the thrice of 70. So 73s are 270 minus 73s are 210 minus 3 207. Okay, plus 17 is there. Okay, then only you are getting 224. Now 224 multiply 4, so it is going to be 896 plus 21. But if you will look out, the pattern is not working out. Then what logic? Because see, multiply 1 plus 4, fine. 4 is what? The square of 2. That is okay. Now multiply 2 plus next number's square. So whatever the value you are multiplying, you are adding the, right, just after that number which value comes. Means if you are multiplying 1 here, so after 1 which value comes? 2. So multiply 1 plus 2 square. Now after that multiply 2 plus 3 square. We can see in first and second step, because we have to find out the wrong number. So okay, this pattern only we can observe here, so we are just following it. Let's see whether it is applicable or not, means it is following or not. So multiply 3 is fine, plus 4 square must be there, but here 17. So instead of 17 there must be 16. So when you will add 16 here, so instead of 224 it will become 223. Now 223 multiply 4 you will do. So 200 multiply 4, 820 multiply 4, 80. So 883 multiply 4, 12. So 892 plus how much will give you 917? 25. Yes. So plus 25. So when we are applying this, we are getting the logic. Yes, multiply 4 plus 5 square. So this is the logic. Yeah, option option are different. Okay, so when I made, I think okay, I didn't change the options. 40, 89. So I think, okay, of different question, the options are from different questions, so that's why it is here. Not an issue. I'm just changing it. 26, 30, 69, 224, 917. Now okay, Eva, everyone, see, this is the logic here actually. So after applying the logic, we we came to know what, that 2 to 4 is the wrong number in the series. So option D. Okay, option D. So I hope you understood the logic. This is the logic. Multiply 1 plus 2 square, multiply, this is 2 square, right? Multiply 2 plus 3 square, multiply 3 plus 4 square, multiply 4 plus 5 square. This is the logic which is going on, and the difference is following this logic. Okay, any doubt, then do let me know. Now the next one, there are two missing number series given below, and this is the type of questions which you can see in the exam. Okay, two series are given, two missing, first one and this is second. Find the value of a square by 2 plus b multiply 3 by 5. So tell me the answer of this. I am giving you sufficient time for analyzing the question. Tell me the answer. Be active, everyone. Now it's clear, Eva? Everyone, proactive, mark your attendance. Okay, okay, now see this one here. What is given? There are two missing number series given below. Okay, these are the series 8, 43, 11, 41, A. So this is the missing term, 39, 70. In series B, 4, 8, 24, 96 and B. Okay, so these are first and second. Now find the value of a square by 2 plus b multiply 3 by 5. So for getting this value, we must know the value of a and b. So just solve first and second series. So 8, 43, 11, 41, a, 39. So 8, 43, 11, 41, a, 39, 70. So if you will look out, a to 43, then 11, then 41, then a, then 39, then 70. Many numbers are given, and here first what, small number, then huge number, right, larger number, then again a small number, then. So if we will look out this, there are many numbers, means there are 7 numbers given. Okay, so it might follow, if we will look out, it might follow after checking what, just looking out this, what we can analyze, what we can say that it might follow the alternate pattern. So just follow first to third, third to fifth, fifth to second. Okay, second to fourth, fourth to sixth. So 8 plus 3, 11. 11 plus what? We don't know, but the difference we don't know. A plus okay, that difference you are getting 17. So 8 plus 3, 11. Then 11 to 17. The difference is plus 6, and there are two gap of the difference. So we can just follow the same difference also. Just see 11 plus 3, 14. 14 plus 3, 17. Yes, this logic is working out. Now in even places already we know the now got the value of A, but we will check on or even places what logic is working out. 43 minus 2, 41. 41 minus 2, 31. Okay, minus 2 on even place. Anurita answered very good 386 and Eva answered 480. Let's see which is going to be your answer, because in options if you will look out, there is no such answers. 290, 130, 79, 225. Option E also there. Okay, so you are talking about second series. 480 means second series value you are talking about. Okay, B's value. Okay, I understood. Now as per Anurita, the answer must be 386. Just look out. Okay. Now second series is 4, 8, 24, 96 and B. So 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24, 24 4s are 96, 96 5s are what? We are just multiplying the consecutive numbers starting from 2, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 96 into 5 means 480. Yes, absolutely correct. Now see, A square. So the value of A is what? 13. What we got? Not 13, actually it is 14. Yeah. Now 14 multiply 14, because what is given? A square by 2. Okay, so A square by 2 plus B multiply 3 by 5. This is what given. So equal to 14 multiply 14 by 2 plus the value of B is what? That is 480 multiply 3/5. 3/5 means 60% of this 480. Like that also you can think out, and you can even calculate in that way also. So by 2 you can cancel 14 7 times. Now 14 7s are what? 91. Sorry, 14 7s are 98 plus. Now 480. Yeah, 480 multiply 3 by 5. So by 5 you can cancel this 480. How many times it will be cancelled? 96 times. Whenever you are dividing a number, I am telling you with 5, just multiply that number with 10 and divide it by 2. 96 into 5, 96 into 3, sorry. Yeah, so absolutely correct. 288. So 288 plus 98, yes, 386 is the correct answer. Very good, Eva. Anurita, excellent work, Pacha. This is your first class, Anurita. I think you are new to the session. Eva is a regular student in the session. Now see the next question. See, these type of questions you are going to see in your exam. They will give the series, they will ask something else based on the series only. They will just make it what? Lengthier. But there is no rocket science. You just have to take those values, calculate and solve. Okay, so just try to do it. Wrong number based series, 999, 243, 29, 85, 89. Okay, so find the wrong number in the series. And the second one, two questions are there. First is find the wrong number. Second, if X is the wrong number and Y is the correct number in place of wrong number, then find the value of X plus Y minus 34. Okay, so there are two questions based on the same series. First is find the wrong number. Second is if X, what they are mentioning, X is the wrong number, Y is the correct number in place of that wrong number, then find the value of X plus Y minus 34. The question is too easy. You just need to solve what first the series. What logic is actually working out here. And when you will see the pattern, you will say, okay, this level, okay, till this level you have to practice a lot. Means you must need to be, your brain must be prepared for these kind of patterns also. Okay, you can think about it when you do these kind of questions. So first of all, you have to attempt. Okay, you have to try all these types. Okay, so that's why I came up with these type of questions. 999, 243. The series is typical. Triple nine, 243. It is in decreasing order. Now 243 to 29. Okay, again 29 you are getting. Now 85 to 89. Then, and one thing I am adding here. Okay, none. Okay, or okay, triple nine. If we will do 81, 81, 81. So here I am making one change. This is not 89. This is 88. Okay, this is not 89. This is 88. And in option also I am making one change. This is 88 and none also in the option. None of these also in the option. And 88. Instead of 89 you will put 88 here. Now try to do it fast, everyone. See, in this series what you can see, I'm just okay writing now 243, 29. At least you must came up. I have changed some values, but by the last value, even when you will consider, you can got the pattern, what logic is working out here. Because see, 999, 243, 29 and 85, then again 88. The difference will not work out, multiplication will not work out, difference will not work out, minus plus, divide, nothing will work out. Now square cube also you cannot see here. But what logic then? Then go for illogical pattern. See the digits 999. So can you get from these three nines? Can you get 243? 9 square, first digit is square, second digit is square, third digit is square. 9 square plus 9 square plus 9 square, 243 you are getting or not? 81 plus 81 plus 81 will give you 243. Now 2 square plus 4 square plus 3 square. So 2 square is 8, 4 square is 16, 3 square is 9. 4 square, 2 square is 4, 4 plus 4 square means 16. So 4 plus 16, okay, that is going to be 20 plus 3 square means 9. So 29, yes, it is not 29. So the logic is what? You're just making what? For getting the next number. Next number, how you will get? Just add the square of each digit of the number, previous number. That will give you the next number. Square sum. Okay, and which digit is square sum? All the digits. Okay, all digits square sum. So okay, understood? Anurita, everyone, Eva, ED, everyone. So when we will see till the end, we have to follow, but we need to check whether it is actually following or not. 2. Now next number is what? 29. 2 digit. So just square both the digit and add. Take the sum. 2 square plus 9 square. So 2 square plus 9 square. 9 square is 81. 2 square is 4. So 85 you will get. Now 8 square is 64. Plus 5 square is 25. So it will give you 89, but here 88 is given. Now you, I hope you understood why I changed this value. Otherwise, this will not be the question of wrong number in that case. Okay, so that's why I just make changes in the last one. Very good, Anurita, everyone. Now understood the logic, what is going on here. Now follow the same logic. Yeah, because see, logically, when you are going to, why I am telling it illogical pattern, right? Why it is illogical? Because see, when you are going through mathematics, so we will go with what? Addition, subtraction, square, cubes, like that, the value will be added, multiplication. But here, you are taking the numbers digit, right? And using that to get the next number. So this is something unusual or not? Are you getting my point? So that's why it is not logically, if you will look out, because when you will add something, we see actually the differences, multiplication, addition, subtraction, square, cubes, prime number pattern, but this is something different, right? So that's why when you use the digits, right, square, cubes of digit, square, difference, multiplication of digits, anything by the digit of number for getting the next number, then you will consider it what? You will say illogical pattern. So by this illogical pattern, you will have something in mind. Okay, when nothing is working out, you can go for this digit pattern, which is actually based on what? Illogical pattern. Okay, right? Illogical thing we have to think out then. Okay. So x here is 88, which is the wrong number, and the correct number is 89. So 88 plus 89 minus 34. So 89 minus 34, 55. Just add here. Okay, 143. And who got the answer? Sorry, I'm just checking it once again. Okay, so answer is going to be 143. Okay, clear? Anurita, now clear? Everyone. So just solve this one now. This one is easier one. Here I am asking you only the missing term, and it is the most common series. If you are practicing this series, number series regularly, so this, I hope you all practice this one also. Okay, practice this one also. Okay, so did you see these pattern? This is the most common logical pattern. Okay, pattern series, missing number series, which actually okay, came many time in the previous year papers of different okay exams, and that's why you need to be proactive. Okay, now tell me this simpler one. That's why I'm expecting the answer from you all. Okay, which one will come in that place of missing? First one is 0. So itself the series start with 0, 4, then 18, then 48, then 100. So any other logic? See, 0 to 4, 0 plus 4. 4 to 18, 4 plus 14. 18 to 48 plus 30 you are adding here. Okay. Now 48 to 152. Okay, plus 50. So is this clear to all of you? Right? What we have just taken the difference, but in single difference, are you getting some pattern? No. 4, 14, 30, 52. Like that the difference is coming. Now take the second difference. 14, 4 to 14 plus 10. Now 14 to 30 plus 16. Okay, second difference we are taking difference of the difference. 30 to 52 plus 22. Now here you can see similarity. Yes, difference of the difference is increased by from 10 to 16 and 16 to 22, means there is a constant. If you will see the third difference, so that is common, plus 6 and plus 6. So just follow that. 22 plus 6. So second difference means difference of difference. After this 22 is going to be what? 28. So means 52 plus 28, okay, will give you what? 52 plus 28 will give you the next difference, which is 80. 100 plus 80, 180. 180 is going to be the answer of this question. This is by normal logic. Now, is there any other logic which we can find here? Yes. These all are the differences of the cube and square of perfect, okay, what consecutive integers. If you will look out, 1 cube minus 1 square, then 2 cube minus 2 square. So consecutive numbers, cube and square difference it is. Okay, that we are writing here. 3 cube minus 3 square. 4 cube minus 4 square. 4 square, sorry. 5 cube minus 5 square. Then 6 cube minus 6 square will come. So these differences also you have to remember, you have to keep in your mind. Till 15, at least till 15 you have to keep. So meditation 180, Eva 180, Anurita. Now clear everyone? So okay, now next series again. Here the series is completely different once again. Two questions are given here. Okay. So tell me the answer of this one fast. And do like the session if you understood each and everything well. Okay, mark your attendance and be attentive, and this session is conducted, right, it is a sorry, it is a regular session, and I'm conducting this okay, I conduct this session on each Tuesday. each Tuesday, okay, at 8 p.m. You can join me if you are preparing for RBI Grade B. So this is very, very important for your practice and your better preparation. Now see, 11, 13, XY, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43. Find the missing term in the series. They are asking. Find the missing one in the series. So this type of series, as I said, you will see in the exam. Here, the first one is what? Find the missing. Second, which of the following statement is definitely correct? So next one is statement verification. Now you have to do statement verification also. So first of all, you must know the value of x and y, because see, first statement is x square greater than y square. First you know x and y is value. Then B, x is a prime number, y is a composite number. C, sum of x and y is an even number. Okay, and these are the options which you have to choose as per the second question. So anyone who got the answer of this question, tell me fast, everyone. Now see, what logic you can see. There are pair of numbers given, 2, okay, 2 numbers pair given, 11, 13, then xy, then 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 42. Without of, okay, just by okay, looking all these number, you can see one common thing in these all numbers. 11, 13, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43. These all are prime numbers. Right? 11, 13, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43. So after 11, 13 comes. After 13, 17. After 17, 19. After 19, 23. After 23, 29. Then 31, then 37, then 41, then 43. Means your pair is going to be what here? The consecutive prime numbers we are using in the series. Okay, consecutive prime numbers. Or just making what in the bracket 2 numbers pair. So understood the pattern. Very good, Anurita, you got the pattern. Okay, option C is going to be answer of this question. Now, first one, which of the following statement is definitely correct? X square is greater than y square? No, not possible, because x is less than y. Then how x square can be greater than y square? So first one is not correct. Now second, x is a prime number. Okay, x is a prime number. All are the prime numbers, x, y, whatever. So y is composite? No, y is also prime. So this is also not going to be correct. Now third, sum of x and y is an even number. So sum of two odd numbers, okay, or two even number, always be what? An even number. Remember this. So x and y both are what? Prime number, and also what? The odd also, right? X and y both are odd numbers also. So when you will add two odd numbers, just see 17 plus 19, 36. So two odd numbers will give you what? The sum of two odd numbers will give you even number. So only C is following option third. Clear? Only C is following here. So the statement, which statement is correct here from the options? Only option C. Now this is what? Okay, so take this as your homework. Just take the screenshot here. Just take the screenshot fast. Any doubt in anyone's mind? And mark your attendance by liking the session. This is our regular session on each Tuesday, as I said, and especially planned for you all who are preparing for RBI Grade B and want to secure their seat by scoring good marks. So it is going to be very, very important, as I said. Okay. So anything, any doubt in anyone's mind? I hope everything is clear. Anurita, Eva, the session was amazing. Clear to all of you, right? Hope so. It is as amazing as I thought. Okay. Okay. So this is what in the starting of the session also I mentioned. Okay. Clear? Okay. So at the start also I told you there is a flat 40% off available till 30th of March on the occasion of this Ram Navami Utsav. Okay. So Oliveboard is offering flat 40% off. You can save 40% on all the regulatory exam courses if you are preparing for RBI, SEBI, Nabard, IFSCA, any of these courses. So there are plans available. Learn, pack, complete plan is there. So in learn, pack you can get notes, current affair, mock test, complete plan, comprehensive study material, mock interview, combo plans also there. RBI SEBI, okay, RBI Nabard, okay. So these all, if you will see RBI plus SEBI combo, if you are preparing for RBI SEBI both, then you must go with it. Or if you are preparing for RBI as well as for Nabard, so this combo will help you a lot. Here you are going to get comprehensive study material, mock interview, and more many other things also. Okay. Mentorship batch is the best one if you are preparing for any of these courses, any of these exams. Here you will get dedicated mentor. Okay, so mentorship is here. Complete study material, mock test, live session, doubt clearing session, everything you will get here. So for availing this 40% offer, you have to use the code FEST, capital FEST. Okay, sorry, capital F, capital EST. So first, this code you have to use for availing the offers. So subscribe the courses now. The offer is ending on this 30th of March. So if you are new to our channel, then do subscribe it also, and also download our app from the Play Store for better updates of all the courses and exams. And also join our Telegram group, Telegram channel. Okay, Telegram channel. The link is given in the description box of this session. Okay, so you can get the link from there, and I hope, okay, you understood why this group is this channel is going to be very important for all the RBI, SEBI, Nabard exam aspirants, because here you are getting daily top 10 MCQs, okay, mind maps on daily basis, PDF of the session, okay, PDF you are getting here, and many important top 10 MCQs of other subjects also, means many other exam update and other many other important things also you are going to get here. So if you are new to the channel, then do go through, okay, just go through the link which is given in the description box and join our channel, okay, Telegram channel of Oliveboard for all the regulatory exams. So I hope everything is clear to all of you. We'll see you in next session on next Tuesday. Bye bye. Thank you for watching. Good night.